Facebook recently rolling out Boost Post on Facebook Story section. If you don't see that button, you are basically missing out on more views, new follower and money on your table. So let's see how to get Boost button on Facebook. Don't skip the video because both methods are crucial, but the last one works for most people. First of all, click on your profile icon. Now click on three dot. Now scroll down. From here, turn on professional mode or make sure you have a Facebook page. Now go back and follow the most important method that works for most people. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search Facebook app. Go to Facebook. Now scroll down. From here, join Facebook Meta program because Boost Post on Facebook is a new feature. So if you are beta tester, you will see new feature before the public does. Now scroll up. After join the beta program, update your Facebook app. After complete the update process, open your Facebook app. Now see Boost Post enable on your Facebook.